Hi man, what's up? It's your boy Pulse and I'm back. I got a new sound pack video for y'all. I'm gonna show you how to get this sound pack, how to download it, and how to put it on, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like in game. So first of all, how to get the sound pack? You want to go description. Obviously, join my Discord. Pulse 5M Leaks. We hit 50k members, which is crazy. Well, about to hit 50k members, my bad. 2k off. Should get that pretty quick. When you join the server, just want to scroll down, unless you're already in it. It says sound packs. Scroll up, there's 3 sound packs. And you're gonna see Arid sound pack. He's pretty good at making sound packs. I'm gonna show you his sound pack right now, what it sounds like and how to get it. So click the second link right here. You click it, just click download. I already did that, so I'm not gonna do it again. And then when you download it, you get this folder right here. Start off by opening this folder, this PC, Windows C, program, Epic Games, which is there, fucking GTA, X64, audio, SFX. When you get this folder, I'd recommend drag it to your desktop if you know how to do that. Anyway, open it. Open it? Okay. Open it. Drag these 2 files like this, drag them in, replace these files. XX, and I'm gonna load in the game right now and show you what it sounds like. Alright, we're in game right now. I'm on GTA Online because I'm currently banned from Vivon. But we don't talk about that anyway. This little post sound pack videos for y'all, because obviously sound packs work in GTA Online. And you can use these in GTA 5M. I'd recommend 5M because it's a major pack. Whatever the fuck it is, but it's not really good. It's clean as fuck. Good footsteps. Just to reload. Reload is really good. Anyway man, if y'all like this video, I'm gonna keep posting. If you drop a like, it really does help me a lot. More than y'all know. A sub is very much appreciated. I'm out bag of it.